In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a password from a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Before we begin, make sure you're working on a PDF you own or have permission to modify. Removing a password is straightforward in Acrobat Pro, but you'll need the current password to unlock the file first. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat on your device. Give it a moment to load, then open the PDF you want to edit. When the prompt appears, type the current password and confirm. This unlocks the document so Acrobat can access its security settings. If the password isn't accepted, double-check capitalization and any special characters, since the entry is case-sensitive. With the file open, look to the sidebar and click All Tools. This is your control center for Acrobat's features. If you don't immediately see it, make sure the left panel is expanded. You can also use the search field at the top of the Tools view to quickly locate what you need. Scroll down and choose Protect a PDF. This area manages both adding and removing security. Even though the name suggests adding protection, it's also where Acrobat keeps the options to clear existing restrictions. A secondary toolbar will open. Click Advanced Options, then select Remove Security. Acrobat will evaluate the current protections on your file. If the document uses a document open password, the one you just typed to get in, you'll see a prompt. Click OK to clear it. If the file also has permission restrictions, such as preventing printing or editing, Acrobat may ask for the permissions password as well. If you have it, follow the prompt to proceed. If you don't, Acrobat won't be able to remove those particular restrictions. This is normal behavior and helps ensure only authorized changes are made. Once you've removed the security, save your document. You can click the Save icon or use Save as if you'd like to keep an original, password-protected copy for your records and create a new, unlocked version. Give the file a clear name so you can recognize at a glance which one is unprotected. To confirm everything worked, close the PDF and reopen it. If Acrobat doesn't ask for a password, the protection has been successfully removed and your changes are saved. That's it. You launched Acrobat, opened your PDF with the current password, navigated to All Tools, chose Protect a PDF, used advanced options to remove security, responded to the prompt to clear a document open password, and saved the updated file. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you streamline your workflow with Adobe Acrobat Pro.